The Beckett man is back. Beckett Tina. PayPal friends and family?
Huh? Oh, I told you I don't. I have that more as well. You don't do cash, huh?
I'll do cash for you. 1100 or 1K or 1200 flip.
1K, 1250.
Last comp's 12. I can't pay more than
But
comps.
one's over 1500 like 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks? Yeah, but the last two sales are like
There's
12.
only 45 in the world. There's no listings anymore. It's gonna. You can easily sell out.
This was not black label. It's off centered.
I was talking to back label on that. I didn't say that, but.
Top to bottom off center, bro. You want just no flip 11?
No flip 11. Do 1150. Come on, 50 bucks more than the other guy has.
I'll do 1150 if you throw in an Evie.
Come on, let's do 1.25. 1,250. It's a Beckett. There's only 48 in the world. You can check. You can
900 or 1300?
What the?
I'm trying to cook you.
Oh my god.
One of us is gonna get cooked.
Are you flipping it or not flipping it?
Up to you.
Oh.
Or we can just do the 1K 1200.
You want to do 1K 1250?
No, I don't want to go up $50.
900, 1300?
I lose. But if you want to be more conservative, we can just do the 1K or 1200. It's the same middle point.
Yeah, I know it is.
You want to do 800 or 1400?
Nah, that's too much. I mean, that's too much.
Okay, you want to just do 1K or 12?
Huh?
1K or 12?
1K or 12?
Yeah.
That's a good deal.
Last sold's 1200.
Really
Last sold's 1200 though.
He was thinking 900 or 1300. Oh man, what am I down then? 400 if I lose? What is it? 1300?
I don't think we should do that. I don't want to win. I don't want to lose either. Cash, 1K or 1200. Flip. Shake the hand if you want.
Fine.
1K or 1200. We're doing it. I'm gonna black label this and sell it for 20 grand and think about you.
I don't think it's gonna black label.
It won't. It's off center, but it's still cool. All right, pristine 10 flip. 1K or 1200. You want me to throw? Or you want to throw?
Am I gonna be in your video at least?
Yeah, bro.
Alright, bet.
You're in the video, brother.
I watch your videos all the time.
Hey, bro, let's go. I throw, you call?
Sure.
That's crazy. All right, 1K or 1200. Ready?
Alright.
1K or 1200. No, come right here. On the ground. Ready?
Alright.
Oh man. If it lands on the opposite of what you say, people are gonna say it's Wade. Ready?
Ready.
1,000 or 1,200 for the flip, for the Tina. Call it in the air. Ready?
Alright, ready?
3, 2, 1.
Heads!
Give me tails, baby.
Heads! Heads!
That's tails! That's tails, baby! Golden Bulls! I got this Tina for 1K, bro. Holy shit, I just cooked him. Oh, it's okay, it's cash though.
Alright.
Oh, it's still not okay. Oh,
It's always
Don't let him
okay with
fucking
Golden
shoot.
Bulls.
It's because I helped. I jumped in. I was like, that's a good deal.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 500. Are you a gambler?
Nah, not
No?
really. Fine.
1,
Fun.
2,
I
3,
don't go too
4,
crazy.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You want to double counter real quick?
Yeah, sure.
Make sure I didn't fuck up and put too much money for you.
Good thing I didn't do a 900. Oh, hell.
Yeah, see, you would have been. See, I told you, I want to be nice with you. Should be 20 bills.
Alright, for sure.
Good?
Appreciate
Appreciate it,
Put it
bro.
in one of your bags?
Nah, I'll probably just like tell someone I cooked you for 1K. Chat, this car's worth 2 grand. I got it for 50%. You look really good, Will.
Thank you, you too. I like the hat. Your
Thanks.
hair always looks good.
Because he's Asian.
Dude, Asian hair is terrible. What are you talking about?
Her hair looks amazing.
It does. It does. Your hair always looks super shiny.
Super shiny.
I thought you were taking a walk. I want to watch this. Oh, fuck me.
Yeah, you want to watch me cook you. Comps 600?
No.
What do you mean? Oh, wait, no, that's Mewtwo.
Tripping.
Brother, last sold 560, 615?
6.
6 okay?
Yeah.
Am I cooked on that? All right, 600 comp.
Not at all. Yeah.
This is like 350, I think.
No, it's like 390.
You're pretty mean for a nice guy. Sure, 400.
There we go. There we go.
This is down.
650.
Slower than 650. Last souls are 590 and 6.
625.
I'm trying to help you here.
Dude, 615. There's 625s all over the place.
Look at the comps. 620, 600, and 590. Look at the last three, bro.
615.
Last 3 sales, 600.
590, 625, 590, 620, 620.
610.
615. Thank you.
615 comp.
Yeah.
Oh, you're just trying to save one for him. 70 bucks on this market.
Sure.
We're at, wow, what a number. 3,500. Wow. Market.
What did I miss? Oh, a Giratina?
Oh, I put 2 of those.
I don't know. If you want to overpay me, sure. I can cook you.
28.85.
You're welcome.
Give me this.
No.
23.
What are we doing here?
Can you do 2,500 on this? Happy?
Oh, on that card?
Yes.
25?
Yes.
Yeah.
All right. Wait, 28.85 was market here, right?
Yeah.
25 and 25. I'll pay you 5K flat.
Yikes.
5K flat.
Yikes.
Or flip 49.51. That's fair.
No.
Why not?
I want to just take 5K.
Okay, just pay 5K flat. No, I'm saying
51. My number's 51.
flip 49 or 51.
We can flip. 5 and 52. 5
Okay.
and 52.
Okay, I'll do 5 or 51.
What?
5 or 51. I came up $50 for you.
No, 5 and 52.
Why?
You cooked me last time.
No, I'm paying you high. I'm paying you high on this. And
You're
I'm
paying me comp on that.
dude, this is 89%.
I want to be at 90.
Oh my god.
That's what I paid. He literally pays me higher than 90.
5K is a good number though.
Yeah, but I like 51 better. It's another 100 in my pocket. We can do 5 and 52.
Fuck it, run it. I'm gonna win this flip. I'm gonna fucking win this flip.
You're gonna win it?
We're flipping for this Cassiopeia. No one cares about that. We got Zard. We got Gold Star Mewtwo. We got Giratina. We got Kyogre and the holy Skull Grunt Poncho.
Last one.
I wanted to be at 5K. You want to be at 5,200, right? We're flipping 5K or 5,200. You throw, I call. I throw, you call.
I'm calling.
Ready?
Go.
PayPal. F and F.
Yeah. You said goods and services last time.
I don't. What? Why would I do goods and services? Here we go. Tails.
What do you mean tails?
I said tails. Wait, you have to call? Fuck! Wait, you said heads. You said heads, so it's tails. It's tails. I win anyways.
It didn't even flip.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
What do you mean?
5K is done.
That didn't even flip.
No, it's done.
That shit just bombed on the.
You think it was unfair? I think it was legit.
I think
It didn't even flip.
I don't know.
Bro, I threw it.
What
It,
are we doing?
it literally landed like
You
that.
it didn't
What
turn
the
at all.
fuck?
Bro, that's how I always go like this. That's
was
literally what I do. That's all I do, bro.
All right, whatever.
5K. Don't cook me like that.
Oh my
what
God.
the fuck?
I just got scammed on a flip.
Thank you so much. We're doing a giveaway on Instagram.
Comments, he did not get scammed. Calm
That's
down. Calm
crazy.
down. You want to negotiate for me? Come here.
What the fuck?
All right, we got Lugia, Zard, and Aerodactyl. So this I want to be comps at 260, and this I want to be at 285 comps. You can alt it. This I'm fine with 500. I bought like 6 of these already.
You want to be 285?
Yeah, mark it. Double check it if you want.
That's fine.
That's fine.
Don't cook me too much on the percent.
So we're gonna flip.
You don't want to double check comp?
Alright.
Why? I literally.
I don't know. Just in case, I don't know.
It's all on video too. Like I can't scam on video, bro.
It sold for 600 on this shit.
5. All right, so we're grabbing the Lugia. 260 on Aerodactyl. And once you give me the approval, I'll put 285 on Charizard.
Oh.
Small flip. You want to do a small flip? 850 or 900 for the lot? I just want to flip, so I'm probably gonna lose right now. You throw, I call. Because I suck at throwing. Everyone says it's rigged when I throw it.
Rare fan machine.
The 280?
Yeah. 285. I put 285 for you.
What do you want to be at?
285, 500, and 260. 850 or 900 flip.
My floor is 900. All my floor would be like
Floor? How about 850, 950? Middle point 900 for you. So you cook me.
900. I do 900, 950.
900 flat, no flip.
Hey, that works.
Or we can flip 880, 920.
925 straight.
No, 880, 920 flip.
How you doing?
I think that's fair.
880, 920?
Yeah, flip. Aerodactyl, Zard, and Lugia. The flying Pokemon. The Pokemon that soar the skies. We're missing Dragonite though.
Let me jump a comp. I went 900, 950 flip, or I do 925 straight up.
880, 920.
89? 89 what?
880 or 920 flip. Here, to help you, to save you, I'll give you the slab map back. Isn't this worth like $30?
I'm good.
Is that fair?
890, 920?
No, 880, 920, you keep the slab mag. I'm pretty sure this is like $20 to $30.
I do 890, 920.
I keep the slab mag?
I'll keep it. We'll do
880, 920.
885.
The negotiating skills are S tier here.
He's good. He's good.
He's almost got me cracked, bro. All right, 885, 920 you said? All right. Damn, I just got.
Almost got you cracked.
He just cooked me over a $5 on negotiation, and he took the freaking case.
I'm gonna buy these from my wallet and make my own brand. So, all
All right, we're flipping $885 or $920 with the man himself. You throw, I call.
Yep.
It has to land on this display case.
Sure.
Okay, ready, go. Tails.
Is that tails?
Yes, it is. Goated, boss. Thank you, sir.